And we're back to learning Midjourney. Let me show you what is meant by outpainting. We'll prompt a cute comic fox, something like this, just so that we have an example to work on. Let me use number 1. I upscale it. And now we have these 3 zoom options, and this is simply what's meant by outpainting. Let's click on it and it's going to zoom out 2 times, 1.5 times, and a custom zoom. We can set it between 1 and 2. I'll make it 1.7. We could also adjust the prompt here. I'll leave it for the first one, and the second one let me add in a park with green trees, something like this. I submit. Here are our first results. These are the simple zooms without any changes in the prompt. This one is 1.5. And one below is 2.0. Custom zooms are still running. Let me upscale one of these. And here again, we can zoom out further. Let me use a custom zoom. Again, I'll make it in a park with green trees. And now I also change the aspect ratio right here. So when you use custom zoom, you can also adjust the parameters. In this case, the AR parameter for aspect ratio. And now Midjourney is outpainting the original image. I can take this further and further and zoom out even more. But keep in mind, let me save 2 of these images. The one, the original that we had, and a very far zoomed out one. And now if we compare them, you can see they have the same resolution somewhat. But obviously if we zoom in here, the original fox is now very pixelated. So every time you upscale, you're going to lose a little bit of the resolution of the original. And if you zoom out 4 or 5 times, the original is so pixelated that you can't zoom in properly anymore. That's something to keep in mind when you use this function that people call outpainting in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.